Can't see here. Nope. Maybe she saw me. She's giving me a kind of a... Hi.
Sorry.
You're not allowed to use your phone, I'm afraid.
I wasn't using my phone.
Is that why the screen was lit up and you were scrolling on pictures?
Because it was completely stationary. I'm sorry.
Okay, it doesn't make any difference. I'm still going to report it, I'm afraid. You got to do better. KN09HWZ. Unusual today. Normally it's the men doing it all, but today it's two women in a row. That's a good moment to filter. At least she was calm and reasonable. That's to be respected.
Daddy's little girl.